Hey everyone! Tonight we're going to make two different types of ice creams using the Ninja Creami, or Creami. I'm still not sure how to pronounce it. But we're going to mix up the ice cream base first, and it'll freeze overnight, and then we'll take a look at it the next day when we whip the mix-ins into it. These are two excellent ice creams. First ice cream is going to be a vanilla mango, and the second ice cream is going to be a chocolate mint ice cream. These recipes are my own. I've been kind of like playing around with it, trying to figure out how to make different types of ice creams with it. There's nothing really special about it. I bought this to eat healthier, but still indulge a little bit. I'm going to be using my protein mixes to make the ice cream base. For my ice cream base, I'm using Shakeology. This is from Body. You can get it online. It's a little on the expensive side, but I will tell you it's better than pretty much anything I've ever had as far as a full nutrition shake mix. Okay, this is not a protein only supplement. It is vegan based. I happen to like that one better. They also have a whey protein based one if you don't like the vegan mix. And then the other one is also chocolate Shakeology, which I already have poured out into this container. I'm going to be mixing it up with 1 cup of vanilla flavored almond milk. Yes, I use the sweetened flavored almond milk as opposed to the healthier alternative. I don't use regular milk all that often, mostly because I have high cholesterol, so I've been trying to actually be better. But I can't get away from, indulging a little bit, so figured to switch to almond milk, but stick with this sweetened vanilla seems to suit me. Use whatever you like. The other addition that's very important to use is xanthan gum. This will just a half a teaspoon in the 2-serving mix that I'm going to make is enough to give you the mouthfeel as if it was a full fat ice cream. First, for the mango, we're gonna add 16 ounces vanilla almond milk, 2 scoops of vanilla powder, half a teaspoon of xanthan gum, this is mango pulp. You can buy this at the supermarket. All it is just pureed mango, frozen. And that's the mango vanilla. Now onto the chocolate. This is chocolate mint. Okay, same thing again. 16 ounces of vanilla flavored almond milk. This is pure mint extract. Just putting a little splash in, about a 1/4 teaspoon. 2 scoops of chocolate flavored Shakeology. This is also the vegan mix. Half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. Can't wait to try this. And that's it. Into the freezer these go, and we'll see how they are tomorrow night. All right, it's the next day. Here is the vanilla mango. It is clearly way overfilled, and it says in the directions, do not operate it if it's not level, don't overfill it. And you know what, I'm gonna do it anyway because I do stupid things like not read the directions. I'm gonna microwave it for 30 seconds just to get it to unstick from the sides and soften up a little bit before I process it. It tastes really good. All right, so as you can see, it did close. There we go. See? Built for people who don't follow the directions. Okay, on full light ice cream. We're gonna blend it for 4 minutes. Go. All right, let's see how it looks. Sure looks like ice cream to me. Mango vanilla. Very good. Okay, so it's kind of powdery right now. This is the chocolate mint one. It tastes delicious. The thing I'm gonna do is what my comments said. was respin it. So, first thing I'm gonna do is respin this whole thing one more time, and we'll see if it's still powdery. And respin. I guess it's okay. I mean, it's still kind of crumbly, but let's do this. Let's scrape the sides just for the heck of it right now. I'll add 4 Keebler grasshoppers. I'm gonna break them. I'm gonna mix it in. You know, I'm not really gonna complain. Maybe a little bit crumbly, but it seems to have held together actually pretty good now. It certainly tastes like ice cream. Chocolate mint with cookie crumbles. Overall, I'm happy. Another batch of ice cream that we've made that is delicious and nutritious. Bye.